What if birds were actually government surveillance drones? If this was true, the CIA would have 12 million birds tracking and surveilling our every movement. But if you're face to beak with these spies, with so many birds flying overhead at all times, you could never guarantee you'd have privacy. Yeah, and that's the point. According to the lore behind this conspiracy, President Eisenhower approved this project, knowing that one camera in the sky could do the work of dozens on the ground. If you want to avoid these eyes in the sky, you'd need to make a soundproof room in your home without windows. Choose your words carefully when you're outside, and keep all your sensitive data restricted to your safe room. Well, I hate to break it to you, but Polly doesn't want a cracker. Polly wants your passwords. If all birds were drones, everything you've ever said in front of this robotic spy was recorded and sent off to the government. Yeah, that's right. Big Brother has been in your living room this whole time. And when you go outside, you'd better watch your step. Some cultures believe that bird poop brings good luck. The odds of getting hit are astronomical, so a little splash from above must mean good fortune, right? Well, in this world, this liquid would double as a tracking device made for the birds to follow you around. If it hits you, don't wash your clothes. Burn them fast and run fast. If your car takes a splat, call an Uber and ditch your ride because you may have been designated public enemy number 1. And all birds don't have the same job. Bird truthers state that vultures were created for public sanitation. But hummingbirds are the hitmen behind this conspiracy, carrying out government-contracted kills. And don't be fooled by their eggs. Those would be highly detailed replicas of the real thing. Wait, can I still eat omelets? I mean, if you were in the middle of this massive cover-up, how could you protect yourself? Now, if a bird stares at you in plain sight, don't just sit there. You would need to look directly into the camera, I mean its eyes, and say, "I know your secret." This passcode might scare off the secret government agent. But while that would take care of one bird, it wouldn't be enough to protect you for the rest of your life. If birds weren't real, you would need to keep your head covered and choose your words carefully to avoid further consequences. You know, some conspiracies are so far-reaching that they spread across the entire globe.